Hello, my lovely flowers. It's me, Nia, with Exquisite Floral Design and Events. And today we're going to be making this heart. So, what I am using are football mums. I use 3 bunches, which are 30. And I clustered them in threes. And also, I showed you I cut them about 3 inches long because you want to make sure you stick it all the way through the foam. And yes, this foam is wet. People always ask me that. I wet it before I even started. Okay, so as you can see, like I said, I was clustering them in threes. And this was an order from Ava Floral or Flowers or something like that. Anyway, then we are using these Lavender Ocean, I think it's, what is it, Ocean Spray or Ocean something, lavender roses. I cut them and then I bloomed them by rolling them. And then we're just going to put 12 of them on to this in just various spots. And also, if you guys noticed, I put my flowers high and low so it gives it a textured look. It doesn't look all just flat. And to me, it just gives it a little bit more depth, if you know what I mean. So I put those on there. And then we're going to add in some white carnations. And I can't remember how many I put on this, but I just put them into the hollow spots that needed to be filled in. And so we just put those on there to complete our lovely heart. And now we're going to be using lemon leaf. And the photo that was sent to me, it had it all the way around the inside and outside. I wouldn't prefer that, but that's what the design called for. So that's what I did. I just cut all of them in, I think you want to say about 4 inches, 3 to 4 inches in length, and just put them all the way around. And oh my gosh, it was tedious, but I did it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have so many people watch my videos and I hardly have anybody subscribing. So please, please, please just hit that subscribe button. You know, it doesn't hurt you, doesn't cost you anything, but it helps me out big time. For, people who, it just helps me out big time, so. And it helps, but basically what it helps me do is, like, you guys, when you ask me questions about where to order flowers from and different things like that, I ordered to get discounts for you guys and pass it on by giving you guys links and all that good stuff. But the more people I have subscribe to me, the better the chances I have on getting somewhere, basically. Anyway, we're basically done. I hope you guys like this. Bye. I'll see you next time.